Virtual reality (VR) is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality can include entertainment, i.e. video games, and educational purposes, i.e. medical or military training. Other, distinct types of VR-style technology include augmented reality and mixed reality. Currently, standard virtual reality systems use either virtual reality headsets or multi-projected environments to generate realistic images, sounds and other sensations that simulate a user's physical presence in a virtual environment. A person using virtual reality equipment is able to look around the artificial world, move around in it, and interact with virtual features or items. The effect is commonly created by VR headsets consisting of a head-mounted display with a small screen in front of the eyes, but can also be created through specially designed rooms with multiple large screens. Virtual reality typically incorporates auditory and video feedback, but may also allow other types of sensory and force feedback through haptic technology. One method by which virtual reality can be realized is simulation-based virtual reality. Driving simulators, for example, give the driver on board the impression of actually driving an actual vehicle by predicting vehicular motion caused by driver input and feeding back corresponding visual, motion and audio cues to the driver. With avatar image-based virtual reality, people can join the virtual environment in the form of real video as well as an avatar. One can participate in the 3D distributed virtual environment as a form of either a conventional avatar or a real video. A user can select own type of participation based on the system capability. The virtual reality modeling language (VRML), first introduced in 1994, was intended for the development of virtual worlds without dependency on headsets. The Web3D consortium was subsequently founded in 1997 for the development of industry standards for web-based 3D graphics. The consortium subsequently developed X3D from the VRML framework as an archival, open-source standard for web-based distribution of VR content. WebVR is an experimental JavaScript application programming interface (API) that provides support for various virtual reality devices, such as the HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, Google Cardboard, or OS VR, in a web browser. Modern virtual reality headset displays are based on technology developed for smartphones including gyroscopes and motion sensors for tracking head, body, and hand positions, small HD screens for stereoscopic displays, and small, lightweight and fast computer processors. These components led to relative affordability for independent VR developers and lead to the 2012 Oculus Rift Kickstarter offering the first independently developed VR headset. Virtual reality is most commonly used in entertainment applications such as video games and 3D cinema. Consumer virtual reality headsets were first released by video game companies in the early mid-1990s. Beginning in the 2010s, next-generation commercial tethered headsets were released by Oculus, Rift, HTC, Vive, and Sony PlayStation VR, setting off a new wave of application development. 3D cinema has been used for sporting events, pornography, fine art, music videos and short films. Since 2015, roller coasters and theme parks have incorporated virtual reality to match visual effects with haptic feedback.
Please subscribe, like video, share, comment and click bell icon for upcoming videos.